Welcome, everyone, to this exciting journey into the world of Bitcoin. I'm thrilled you're here today as we uncover how you can build wealth through this fascinating digital currency, even if you're starting from scratch. It might sound unbelievable, right? But trust me, it's true. Picture this: a wanderer like me stumbling upon the life-changing potential that Bitcoin offers. A few years back, I found myself feeling a bit lost while many of my friends were cashing out and celebrating their financial successes. Instead of wallowing in self-pity or feeling left behind, I decided to take a different path. I made a conscious choice to learn more about this revolutionary currency. Fast forward to my cozy office in Paraguay, surrounded by vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes, where everything changed for me. It was there in that serene environment that I had a breakthrough moment. Investing isn't just about technology and numbers. It's about the mindset you adopt, the community you engage with, and the personalized strategy you create for yourself. Let's take a moment to talk about my first six-figure crypto payday. That experience was a game changer for me. It all started when I began to spot patterns in the market, something I hadn't paid attention to before. It takes patience and keen observation, but I assure you, the insights are there if you look closely. Imagine for a second if you had all the right tools to analyze the market effectively. It's not just about luck, it's about timing and having a bit of courage to seize opportunities when they arise. Now, you might be wondering, do I need to be a tech guru to succeed in Bitcoin? The answer is a resounding no. What you truly need is a willingness to learn and take action. Start by educating yourself. Explore podcasts like this one, dive into online forums, or pick up some personal finance books. There's a wealth of information out there just waiting for you to tap into it. So, let's dive deeper into the secrets of navigating Bitcoin. We'll identify opportunities and discuss how to build real, lasting wealth. Just take a moment to imagine what financial freedom looks like for you. What would you do with that freedom? Would you travel the world, start a new business, or perhaps invest in your passion project? Let's dissect a variety of strategies together and share some valuable tips along the way. Remember, wealth isn't solely about having technical skills. It's about being adventurous, staying well-informed, and being supported by a thriving community. Now, here's something to ponder. What fears or hesitations do you have about entering the world of Bitcoin? I'd love for you to think about that as we move forward. Your path to Bitcoin prosperity starts right now. Together, we're going to unravel the mystery of Bitcoin investment step by step. So, are you ready? Let's embark on this adventure together and discover the incredible possibilities that await you in the world of Bitcoin.